Hello, my friends. In today's video, we'll take a look at real-life traffic accidents, from reckless drivers causing devastating crashes to chaotic collisions caused by out-of-control trucks and ignored traffic signs. Join us as we explore these incidents and discover the best ways to stay safe on the road. Buckle up and let's get started. Oh no, my car! On the road, a car made a turn without checking, causing the vehicle behind it to be unable to brake in time, leading to a collision and crashing straight into a parked dump truck. Oh my God, the semi-truck is crashing down from the bridge. That's insane. He said he wanted to take a shortcut. Driving on the right path, but suddenly a car recklessly swerved into the lane and even caused an accident? I can't believe my eyes. The car in front got sideswiped by a dump truck, causing an accident. It's quite serious with significant property damage, but thankfully everyone is okay. Wow, what's going on here? Why did they suddenly rear-end someone? Must be because the driver fell asleep. A car was driving on the road when it suddenly sped up and cut off a cargo truck, ending up facing the consequences itself. Oh no! He was overconfident in himself and didn't pay attention to the size of the vehicle. The truck ended up crashing straight into the traffic signal. Unbelievable! Two cars were driving straight when the one behind tried to overtake. Suddenly, the car in front cut across to take a turn, causing a collision.
Ух ты, ебать!
What? Several cars were on their way when suddenly strong winds knocked down a tree, crushing a car underneath. Luckily, no one was hurt. So dangerous. The ambulance had its siren on and was requesting the right-of-way, but one car still insisted on going and ended up colliding with it. Truly shameful. Money can buy a car, but it can't buy awareness. With many vehicles on the road, one car suddenly stopped and changed lanes without warning. The car behind couldn't react in time, resulting in a strong collision. Windows shattered. Two cars were passing through an intersection at high speed without paying attention. One of them ran a red light, leading to a severe collision. Windows shattered, and the front of the car was heavily damaged. A car was driving at night with limited visibility when suddenly another vehicle sped out from an alley. Unable to react in time, they collided with each other. Oh no! A car ignored the traffic signal and crashed hard into another vehicle, causing the front end to catch fire. So dangerous. On the slippery, snowy road, the car lost control, veered off the road, and flipped over. Oh my God! Yet another accident caused by not checking behind. There have already been so many crashes due to a lack of awareness. Everyone, please be careful. The police were chasing a suspect when, suddenly, the suspect's car lost control and flipped multiple times. He was chilling in his car, enjoying a song, when suddenly another vehicle sped around a turn but failed to control it, resulting in a collision.
Куда она едет-то? На красный, ёб твою мать-то. Есть.
Дура, блин.
Куда?
Oh no, oh no. Cutting off a large truck like that doesn't just put you in danger, but also risks the safety of everyone around you. Oh my God! The car in front lost control, veered off the road, and flipped over. Oh my God! The car in front lost control, veered off the road, and flipped over. The car being chased by the police suddenly swerved to the other side of the road, lost control, and crashed, allowing the police to catch the suspect. A car recklessly ran a red light and immediately had to face the consequences. Everyone, please follow traffic laws seriously. Don't rush for a few seconds. It's not worth the risk. While driving on the road, suddenly there was the sound of metal crashing from behind. Looking back, it turned out a terrible accident had just happened. So unfortunate. Oh no! A car was driving for a while and then suddenly stopped, causing the vehicle behind to crash into it hard, pushing it into the nearby car. A car was driving on its own path when suddenly two other vehicles sped in and crashed into it with great force. A reckless car was swerving dangerously, making sudden turns and ended up causing a collision. Oh no! An excavator lost control and crashed into multiple nearby vehicles, causing severe damage. The driver will likely have to compensate the affected owners. Oh my God! The car in front was driving normally when suddenly another vehicle crashed into it from behind. So dangerous. Everyone, please drive safely and stay alert. In the dark of night, a car lost control due to excessive speed and unfortunately collided with another vehicle, facing the consequences. The impact sent the car flying, creating sparks upon crashing. Oh my gosh, is your head just for growing hair and decoration? Don't be reckless and put others in danger. Remember that. A moment of haste can lead to a lifetime of regret. Everyone, please be careful. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts. I'm here to listen.
Oh my God!
This car was driven by an incredibly skilled driver, but today he showed off in the wrong place. Such a shame.
Ух ты!
Ебал, чё больно?
On a road with poor visibility, a massive accident occurred as multiple vehicles crashed one after another due to the limited sight. This chain reaction collision was truly severe. Oh no! Did the driver of this car fall asleep at the wheel, or are they just a beginner? Either way, it's extremely dangerous. Oh no! A terrible accident has occurred on the road. Many vehicles have collided or overturned after being hit hard from behind. The damage is severe.
That man probably had a similar experience when he was a kid, right? And it probably actually for him.
And that brings us to the end of the video. Did you find it useful? If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.
Ой, это что это? Это что это?
Чем же занят? Вот как выглядит мыслитель из ручейков сознания, складывающихся в широкую, но